Welcome back to the Jimmy 2 Tech channel. Today we are going to be doing an LED light conversion on the truck we have behind us. Now if you guys are not new to the channel and you've been here a while, you might have seen in other videos we've done LED light conversion on quite a few vehicles, but they've all been Fords. So for you Chevy guys out there, we're going to be doing a Chevy today. This is a 2007 2500 HD Classic. The Classic, I guess, means something between that and the regular for the low beam. One's an H11, one's a 9006 bulb. But we got the Classic here, so we're going to do that today. It couldn't be any easier on this truck to do, and it's such a big benefit to do it. They're so easy to get these out with just one pull of a pin. You pull it out, change the bulbs, plug them in, you're ready to go. So we want to show you guys how to do that. I have to say, this is, of all the ones we've done, credit to the Chevy for, well, at least this year, that's an easy one to do. We got another video coming up later of doing a 3500 HD. Not so easy to do. You're gonna have to pull the grill out and things like that, but it still has a big impact. We'll show you guys that in a future video. But for now, we're gonna pop the hood on this thing and show you how easy it is to switch these bulbs out. So let's go. All right, today we're gonna be using the LED bulbs from Autoone. Now, Autoone is a company we haven't used before. You've seen in other videos you used a different brand. They work great for us. We have no complaints about those lights. So we wanted to give another brand to try. And actually in the other truck I was mentioning at 3500, it's going to be even another brand, so we can compare all three, you know, build quality, how long they last, things like that, and we can keep you guys updated. But this company is Autoone. They have a full line of LED bulbs for your vehicle. They also even have a bunch of taillight assemblies if you're looking for those that are LED for that. So if you guys are interested in trying any of these, we'll leave a link down below for these guys. Plus we'll also put we'll put a code where you can save 15% off. So if you click that code, you'll save 15% off. Let them know you checked out our video. But this, like I said, this couldn't be any easier for this. No tools required on this job. We literally lift this up and pull this out. The light comes out for us. The high and low beam is both in there. So that's going to be easy to do. But let me show you what we get in the package here. I mean, it's basic what you get in the package, but you're going to get your two bulbs. You get the, you know, the instruction manual here and stuff like that. They give you a couple replacement seals, which is nice. So that's pretty much all you're going to need for this job. And the other one's the same way. So like I mentioned, high and low beam is in the same lens. So let's get over here. We'll start pulling this off. Like I said, we want to pull this up out of here. Just work this out. Just like that. Set that aside. Literally, that is all there is to it. So both our bulbs are right here. You got your high beam and low beam. We're going to be switching out both of these. We're going to start over here on this side. To unplug it, you just lift up a little bit on that plug, just a little, and then unplug it like that. We're going to grab our first bulb out of here. We have it set right here. We're going to take this one right out. We'll just do a quarter turn. Pull that bulb out. We'll set it in here just to keep track of it. And we're going to do the opposite on this one. Quarter turn. Plug it in. That's all there is to this. You can see the little fan here on the back. So, and this is lower profile, so you have the clearance up against the mounting bracket. So we're going to do the same over here, and then we'll go do the other side, and we'll show you that as well. So let's click this one out real quick. Oh, I got to get the other package. All right, same as that first one. We got the other bulb here. We're just going to do that quarter turn out. Set that aside. Quarter turn in and plug it in. That's all there is to putting this one in. We're going to do the same on the other side, and this job's pretty much done. And we'll show you before and afters. When it gets dark, we'll show you. We already took the before, so when it gets dark, we're going to show you the after. You can see that's back in. We just grab our pin, put our pin back in here. That's how easy it is to change it on this 2007 2500 HD Classic. We already did this side, so tonight we're going to show you the before and afters of what it looks like. These are up to 600 times brighter than your normal halogen light bulbs, and they are road legal, so you know, they got the DOT certifications and everything according to their site. Don't quote me, quote their site. That's what it says. So we're going to see how bright, much more brighter these are. It's going to be great. Actually, we could show you before and after. Give us a minute. Well, I'm going to switch this side back over to the halogens, and that way we could show you right now. It's daylight, but we could show you kind of the difference of what we see now. So let me switch it back over quick. We'll show you in a minute. All right, guys, we're going to get these on. You guys can see, it's hard to see. Let's get you over there to the halogen first. You can see that amber color. They normally have that warmer white. As compared to over here, you got your LED with that nice brighter white that you see going down the road. Click on the highs if you can. I know we're not too familiar with these Chevys. Oh, there you go. Well, you can see that the high beams are on there. Got you guys all over the place. You can see that is pretty bright. And then you can see, I mean, you got your amber color, but definitely the LEDs are much brighter. But you guys will be able to see better here at night. We'll just show you like a before and after at night. I don't know if we'll just have them both done and then either way, but we'll get it done for you. All right, it's pretty dark out here, guys. We're going to show you the difference between the two. On this side, we have the halogens. This side, we have the LEDs. You're going to be able to tell. Go ahead, turn them on. You can see the amber color on that one. Then you see how nice and bright that is. Give us some beams. You can see the difference there. And they shine quite a bit brighter. So pretty nice transformation. Get you guys closer. Pretty nice setup. So easy job on this truck. All right, as you can see, that was super easy. It's probably the easiest one I've ever done. That is Autoone LED bulbs. One thing I noticed on here, the Autoone bulbs does have the smaller back on it. We have a bulb from a different manufacturer, and you can see how much thicker this is right here. On this particular truck, you wouldn't have the clearance for a bulb this thick because you have the backing. The backing will touch this, so you'd have to modify that a little bit if you did get this one. But so if you're looking for one for this truck, and you know, Autoone definitely fits, but if you're looking at a different brand, you want to make sure you got the thinner base here. Otherwise, you're not going to clear your bracket. So I just wanted to point that out for you guys. And that is the easiest, like I said, the easiest one I've ever done. If you guys had any questions, comments, or concerns, don't forget to hit us up down below. Let us know what you think about them. If you haven't done so already, please take a minute to hit that subscribe button. I know a lot of you guys aren't. Doesn't cost you a dime. Just click that button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know next time we post a video, because we are going to be posting another brand on that Chevy 3500 HD. And we'll see what the process, I know the process is deep in that one with pulling the grill off and unbolting stuff on your wheel well and everything. So that one's going to be a little more of a challenge, but we're up for it. And I hope you guys seen the difference between the before and after. We kept the one side the regular halogen, the other side LED. You could see how much brighter the LED is. It's going to really brighten up that road, especially on something that's a 2007. This one's mint though, pretty much for a 2007, but still the light bulbs need to be updated. So that's done now. So till next time, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching and try something new.